Welcome to my honest review of Regenix, a company dedicated to providing personalized hair restoration treatments. Today, I'm going to walk you through my experience using their services, as well as their approach to hair loss. Regenix offers a variety of hair regrowth treatments tailored to individual needs, which is one of the things I appreciated most about the service. The process begins with an initial consultation, where they assess your hair and scalp condition. After that, they create a customized plan based on your specific needs. I was impressed with how in-depth the consultation was, with no shortcuts taken. Regenix uses a combination of topical solutions, proprietary products, and techniques to help promote hair regrowth. One of the main selling points of their service is the use of high-quality, medical-grade products. While it may take some time to see results, it's important to remember that hair restoration is a gradual process, and patience is key. Now, let's talk about the effectiveness. Over several weeks, I started noticing subtle changes. While the results weren't as fast as I initially hoped for, I could see some noticeable regrowth after several months. The best results were seen when following their prescribed regimen consistently. Another point I want to mention is customer service. Regenix offers ongoing support throughout the treatment, which is a great feature. They're always available to answer any questions, and they really care about helping you succeed with the program. However, there were a couple of downsides to my experience. First, the cost can be pretty high. Regenix is not the cheapest option out there, so that's something to consider if you're on a budget. Secondly, their program requires a high level of commitment. If you're looking for a quick fix, this may not be the right choice for you. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, my experience with Regenix has been positive, but it's not without its drawbacks. The effectiveness of the treatment depends heavily on consistency and the specific needs of the individual. If you're serious about regrowing your hair and willing to invest time and money, Regenix could be a great option for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips on personal care. Your support really helps.